Okay, this is one of the best juice for a diabetic patient, and not only diabetic patient anyway. Yeah, anybody can drink it, but it does justice to diabetes. And what is it? This is called bitter gourd or bitter lemon with rough skin. You have seen it. It looks like cucumber. Yeah, but it looks like cucumber, but it has rough skin. Have you seen it? It's called bitter lemon or bitter gourd. Okay, very, very good for somebody that is diabetic. So now we're going to make juice for a diabetic patient. Bitter gourd is very rich in vitamin C and also vitamin A, and it has a lot of fiber in it. So what I have sliced in here, now this is celery. We know that celery is very good. This is cucumber and also the bitter gourd. So when you slice these things, you pour in your blender. You pour in your blender. If the person you are making this for love things that are sweet, that person has to stop. Diabetes doesn't tolerate sugary things. Yeah, immediately you take any sugary things, it will spark the diabetes. Yeah, so if you want, you can only put green apple and a little quantity. You can put little quantity of this. But for me, when I'm taking it, I don't put, I'm not diabetic, but I love bitter drinks. And it has been of a great help to my health. So you can now put your apple, maybe half water or all. Yeah, I always advise people that have grown in age to make use of the greenish one, not this. These ones are good for the children because it's sweet. It's too sweet. Yeah. So you have seen it. You slice your greenish apple or your green apple and you pour. I think this quantity is enough for me. Yeah. So after blending, you now put lemon. Yeah, and the ginger. Okay, have you seen it? Everything has been crushed. Yeah, so when you have, look at it, very greenish, then you can add maybe a spoon. A spoon might be much depending on the quantity. You have seen the size of this juice now. It's like, this is the measurement of the juice. This is like 500 ml, yeah, 500 ml. You have seen it. So if it's 500 ml, you add half a spoon of ginger, except if you know that the person loves ginger. Okay, you can add as quantity as that person wants. Then you slice your lemon. You slice your lemon, this is it, and you remove the seeds and squeeze some drop in it. When you make this type of juice, it can last for 1 week when it's in the fridge. Yeah, or freezer, say, no, when it's in the freezer. Yeah, so this is very healthy, boosts the immune, has vitamins in it, and the very good fiber. Yeah, very good fiber. So this is a very good drink for a diabetic patient, and they also, anybody can drink it, but I make it specifically for them. Yeah, I think everything has blended well now, both the ginger and the lemon. You saw me when I dropped lemon. Lemon is good. It's immune booster also because it's rich in vitamin C. So this is it. Have you seen it? I didn't sieve it. You don't sieve your juice. Immediately you sieve your juice, you have removed the fiber, and you need the fiber. Okay, for constipation, you need the fiber for good metabolism movement, or metabolic movement of the body, actually. Yeah, so that is it. Thank you for joining me, and keep joining, keep subscribing, please. When you like what you have seen, what we are doing, you just put a finger, questions or comments. Thank you so much for joining.